Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to make a trail cutout transitions in InShot. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app and then just import your clips like this, and then just set the clips, all clips to 2 seconds, and then adjust the ratio however you like. Next, just add a blank screen at the very beginning. Just tap on the plus buttons and then tap on blank like this, and then set it to 2 seconds like this. And next, freeze the starting frames of your first clips like this, and then just set it, and then just set the durations into 0.6 seconds like this. And then make it as an overlay on top of blank screens like this. And then just cut out the clips or just remove the backgrounds of the clips like this. And then just add keyframes at the start and end of the clips like this. And then at the first keyframes, just move the cutout clips so it's hidden outside the frames like this. Like this. And then just add graph curve or edge curve. This one, just tap on it. And then choose this one. This step will make the animation smooth. And then just tap on check mark like this. After that, just apply the trail effects to your first clips. Just go to effects, this one, just tap on it. And then just choose trail, this one, and then make it to, and then just set the value to the max like this. And then just set the durations, and then just set the duration so it just apply at the beginning of the clips like this. And then just repeat these steps for every other clips. And last, let's play the video. Like this. And okay, that's it. Now you have got your smooth trail cutout transitions. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.